Just this morning, the story be Bremo from the Savannah region. Papa B, say with the 60 years. Was also send the area with the 57. Watch it one so, and Munti Papa no, Edda than a year no, Echo Bush. Omo ye care for. And now, what they may call a good year in any and other kind a gigan a year in a sebe upon chin a coon a year no. And Rammy, this our story in the Bremo and Opano. I said something, like I said, this year, ye remuno. A lot of these cases are happening. A lot of people are killing their wives. A lot of people are killing their husbands. And I don't understand. Yako ye say ye bia any crime a tai koso ewa Ghana. Last year it was about assassination and things. I'm saying Crawford, ekunkum nipa and armed robbery. But I'm saying this year corona neba no akwa dani domestic. And then I'll read a report. When I said this in the morning, Satana reports ni nyambaye. Later in the afternoon, I saw a report from a year police for no na omonso the reports be about it buttresses the point and na make and opane said this year sanyama no kosropa it here for story be asanso aba beto menim sisi amene okasei and also papa bi wone ne yere womo tu ni na womo eye cocoa farmers. Now papa no we did 28 years ne yere ne we did 25. Na ne din e de Regina Efe Inkum. Regina Efe Inkum. These people, I think they've been married for 5 years now. And na womo womba mienu. Na womo nina womo ewo cocoa farmer womo ye adwuma ewo so. No, I think they've been married for 8 years. Not to say oba no ya ware no ohwa na we di be 17 because opa no we di 28. Until they've been married for 8 years ni. Na womo worry here for I think 8 years ni no. Womo ehya say womo ye adwuma on a year cocoa fuo bi mu for 5 good years. Now, mame no NADC, I'm telling you the story. Inti mame no enatese wono edisi ni so. Se cocoa no wono ebeye adwuma ni we fuom ho. Papa na asabe wono ewo se wo bring ni eye adwuma ewo cocoa fuom na tese sika ne ba omunya womo eyewe no papa no sebe wono wotina fie maame no for 5 good years. Na ade we are making yesi baby ye friend mal 5 e water kwa na asem we esi ye mal 5 e was central region. Maame no 5 years straight wodi nani si so eye koko ni working tirelessly for years. Woba no angasa she'll take care of the home. As a papa ne nyahwe. Papa ne tifie ho. He looked unconcerned. Emfa ne ho. Maame no na chese wodi sika ba be ye fie ni ye papa ne de sebe. Emfa ne ho chese wo ni sika. Maame ne bisa ni sika ba ka se mi ni sika obekum yakum chese sam mmema ni bi. Ono so awon ko ye adwuma e wo fuom ho maame na na eye. E na maame no ka se afono me aden. Obi a me di 25. I'm still young. Na yenye nyindu baby kra e na wahye asese wo ye bibi sei eye mabre aware ne kra me ware biom na suban ben e na maba betine mu aware sei nti maame ne ya na adwen se won ware biom na wo pake ne nyama nti one day osori ye so wo pake ne nyama efifie ho akọ e na papa no odi ebufuo anopa be ye 9 e na papa no odi ebufuo etwe sekan chese de making what say mame nsa free ho and that me no ka say what say mame nsa se kan no mame nsa tin what say free ho odi ebufuo se mame nsi wo gyan no o ya kwadro ada na wo gyan na wo ba omba no mum na ekofuom na wo ba no mum wi a wo de won say mba wa badae nti oba no wonya ska se papa ne klase wo ni ska kra na wo ba no wo mba mienu ontumi nka sesebe papa no ena chenchina won ko pes kambra we hu ne se papa no ye obi asebe akwadro ena wo ni so ombe se obeye adwuma nti so wo twense papa no mo ne ko ye imma no ekome be di omo eku omo nti ma me de sebe abadae na wo no anya sika na wo de hwe nkola ne so na later no abe hu se dabi we de I am better off alone dan say me ne papa e bet because o de sika ne be fie na say bia nkola ne pe na ohwe omuso say papa ne so ti fie hobi nti onye dia na papa ne so be di on to me ga say one man no nti akwa say 28-year-old papa ana branch o say the branch ne say friend no wa ya akwadro na wo de abeda mami so na mami ebre meanwhile wo abranche wenyin say oyiri o de sika ne tin nsa say ta eno dwane ye na police for enyante ye district police commander your friend no superintendent Agbevam na wonyante ye na wosesa ne nkrofo say hey esi abranche bi di nyambransem ewo mile 5 takwa yenye ntem ne enko omonye ntem so omo ko kwan so na omo hu say abranche bi e de mame na to ne bike so a wo rush mame na ko hospital and abranche no ye ya na rush mame na ko hospital via a friend no this Dixcoff hospital for treatment omo du ho na doctor for hwe se ne ade na ye na too much omo ntumi and no more refer no say one call Efian Kwanta Regional Hospital because and then the regional hospital no obviously is bigger than Dixcoff hospital no na sika ya ye dey twa mame nsa still mame nsa no na da baby abranch no wo twa no nti na e wo say police for sam mo chi ekoho ekosesa mame nsa na abranch no de sika na tie fi ho no ekofa mame nsa e de ba hospital ho na sani ade ne ye na obi ehu se da bi mame die so otumi survive ade we pan de a na ende die tese nyankopon a na aka se me mama mi omu but nini na echi no mame ni be free mu abranche ne nde we dwane a police for eguso a ye hwehwe ne dedenden just this morning I said this obi a wo tie me anopa a me report here on the Savannah region there no me kan me see this year the cases of domestic violence say obi eni obi kunu nkrofo ku omoyere I don't know whether it's frustration or not sansem no ana sanyama ne this year it is going on Ghana for say yanka say ye ku ye ho no this year ye remu no eno ne story a ba dodo na me kan say asem no manu nsi ewia me na mo na me hu report bi na me say ma me he me hu report no amo say no domestic violence is on the increase opposed for na eka sao amo say reports are wo police for nya just 6 months into the year omo hu say that be this year domestic violence e chenda e wo Ghana say efie asem na we kunwei na we abuwei just say domestic violence issues this year nkwano akosuru too much just within 6 months akosuru too much just say ye bibi fan. And in the morning I said this say earlier this year emra stories be say esha say ekoso ewoko esha say wa Ashanti region na bibi sa ekoso wa Ashanti region nkofu kunku omoyere mo woni ni nya asem a wabono no we ku no say it was going on me say me ka say CTFM for an interview the Ashanti regional minister was said there I don't know whether it was the deputy Ashanti or the Ashanti regional minister but nipa kwa interview no oyobi a wakasa wa Ashanti regional edimu asem a nipa ko ni bisa CTFM presenter na say no obi ni kunu enya asem ofie no wo ku na we nso aban embeye den emfa ho e na me hu say dabi politicians no they don't think about us and you're no election I have said it over here countless times and your elections and go back was a few any na ko tun say didi ye hu omu ni na pen election do a eno no kai ekọ fie ho ene nkrofo no ko tena se didi and then when your poster nkrofo wo mu ku omu ho no o tren say obi ne nikunu na enya asem ofia wo ku na no so efa aban ho ben it's only in Ghana that this thing can be said and I've told you in my first akwakoye say I'm just repeating what I said in the first video I did in the morning but obi a wentia tie ni ye obi a wetie nso a it will not kill you tie biom I'm just repeating the things I said in my first video. Eya brochia. Na ka ye wura here ni mo wate 1-2 cases. Say nkofo sha say wo hu ku omo yere mo over just some misunderstanding there. Omehu ne say dabi. These are issues we need to address. Whether a town hall meeting and on be have a crana or be have a town hall meeting no mo ne nkofo akasa say nansen yehu ne say mu kunkum yere dodo me enu say frustration aba mo ne yen kasa whether a psychologist be no mbenya no baba be psych the men up because to the bia a frustration but dabi Ghana say regional minister say deputy regional minister say dey you obekasa no say dabi na obi ne yire nya asem ofia na okuna eno so efa ban ho ben and that exposes our mentality. Day in, day out, these stories are going up. And I am not the only person. Me see me home. Obia will follow me. Be able to say, assembly are making be no be able to say, within that space now, there will be an official report to come out to buttress me my point I make. Who you be will follow me? It was just this morning when I said that thing. Say, me tear stories are eba me nim, me read the graphic. Na me share stories eba me nim a. Eya said this year there. Say nkrofo ku omo ankasa ebia ne nua ne yere ne kunu say woni na nya asem kakra bia na wachiti woni so say nkrofo edi sa nyambra asem this year epeja ne mu wo Ghana pan. I said that in the morning. Just in the afternoon for me to see a report from Ghana police say domestic violence cases this year are kosropan. And I make say adia me kan ya no pe ya no eno and ankrofu ya boss amayen ya rehosem. But you see, I'll keep on saying this thing. So you are a young man, where the 28, you the 25 for see wo jail. Like it is ya we kunu no when you den when you agiana say police force show. You can't live a normal life. You can't. And you be say, police, Ghana police, yes, sir, over some number of years. Massa, I say when you forget you. I remember very, very well 2008, 2009. And also, sir, a branch be sir, baby, and I'm a tetema. Sir, and a buffo as a park so bobo. In a buffo back second war back kuno. Up to Lende since 2009 to today. Oh dear hair, the number of years up to Lende. A branch here now will this and a man some new year will journey, you know. He said I won't live a free life. Because Obian himself branch will cool nipa. If we are not a one will need yet a one and a wolf obiate. He said, I never say with Johnny, a co baby, I said, won't him obiao. No, they say, oh, how crack a walk of Bob Braffo fro. It will be before fro. Nippon so dear. One day, you got to say a branch in the Kun no Johnny. Police were bet you. You can't live a normal life again. That day, and there was a woman a buffo. Just 10 seconds, 20 seconds a buffobia. A basabe. Ubetwe ho no wa mebufu na ma wa kodi nyambransem na assessing the course of your life. Please, don't try to comment box no. Asemo ya.